Hi guys, today we'll discuss about how to write an assembly language program to find the sum of n natural numbers using 8051. So the concept under this will be, so in your memory I have been loaded with your 5 set of data, so you have to find out what will be the sum of this. So first I am going to add the first two data. With this sum I am going to add your next set of data, and with this sum I will add with your next set of data. With this sum I will add your next set of data. So this will be my concept for this sum of n natural numbers. So first your data pointer should be addressed by the 4200. So a data pointer will be addressed by the 4200. A pointer have been located at the address of 4200. So I am going to have n number. So let my n, let it be 5. I am going to load your 5 set of data. So my count will be 5. Next I am clearing my R1 register, because I told you with my first data I am going to add your next set of data. So what I am going to do, first initially I will have 0. With this 0 I will add my first input, okay, and with the output of this I will add your next set of data. With this, the output of this I will add my next set of input. So this will be the concept. So I am just loading my R1 register with 0. So we are going to add now. I should move my data pointer value to my A register. So first data value, that is your 5, will be moved to my A register. So A register have 5, and with your 5 I am going to add your 0. That initially I loaded your R1 register as 0. So will be add together and the answer will be 5. So this 5 will be held in your A register. So that value will be moved to my R1. Because I told you with that output I will add with my next set of input. So that output I am going to load it in my R1 register. With that I will add with your next set of data 4. So I should increment my pointer to your next memory location. So I will give the instruction as increment dptr. After giving this, pointer will be moved to the memory location of 4201. So 4201 we have a data of 04. So now what I am going to do, we are going to decrement and jump not 0. So we are going to decrement the value which is stored in your R0. R0 going to hold the number of data we are loaded in your array. So we are going to decrement, and if it is not equal to 0 now, we have to continue with your next set of data. If it is equal to 0 now, we have been attained your final answer, so you have to move to your memory location. So since it is not equal to 0, what happened? Again this loop will be get continue. So your 4, that is your pointer have been located in 4201. The 4 value will be moved to my A register. So A with R1. Now initially R1 hold with 5. So 4 with 5, answer will be again 9. So that 9 will be moved to my R1. R1 going to hold your output data. With that output data, add with your third set of data 03. So this loop will be continue until your R0 is equal to 0. So when it is equal to 0 now, it will come out from your loop. Since my output have been stored in your R1, those values should be moved to my A register. So from the A you have to move to my memory location. So to store your output, I have been allocated the address of 4300. So your data pointer will be pointed by the address of 4300. So now the answer will be, those answers have been stored in your A. So from A will be moved to the memory address of 4300. Instead of halt, SJMP L2 will be rotated in the same loop. So now what will be the answer now? Your answer will be, I am going to add 0504. So your answer will be 9. With this 9 I should get my, I am going to add with your third set of value 3. So 9 plus 3, my answer will be 12. So with this 12 I will add with my next set of data 2. So it will be 14. So with this, the fifth set of data will be 1. So my answer will be 15. This is your hexadecimal value. So if it is moved to it is a decimal value. So hexadecimal value will be 0f. So in the memory location of 4300, I should get my answer as 05. So we will execute the same program by using your 8051 microcontroller. So this is your 8051 microcontroller. So I just loaded the program already. I will show you. You enter 4100. So move dptr, 4200, move R0, 5. So this is going to hold your number of data loaded in your array. Initially R1 have been loaded by 0. So the first data have been moved from data pointer to your A register, add with A with R1. Initially R1 is 0. With that, the output will be stored in A. Move to my R1 register. Increment your data pointer to get your next data, and then decrement and jump on non-zero. When it is equal to 0, come out from that loop. So your answer have been stored in your R1. Move to my A register. From the A register, move to my data pointer. I'll load my input SD4200. So my first input 05, 04, 03, 02, 01, reset. Execute. Go space 1000, press reset. To check your output, SD output address will be 4300. So in 4300, my answer is 0F. So as we calculate as manual calculation will be 0F, and by executing your 8051 kit, my answer also will be 0F. Thank you.